Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. My name is Dr. Muhamad bin Saiman with my partner Dr. Salsabila, binti Yusma alias Abdul Mubin. We are from Assist UITM Shah Alam. Today we will present to all of you our topic. Research is issues and challenges of promotion Halal certification for Muslim entrepreneurs in Malaysia. Firstly, in our introduction, based on manual procedure for Malaysia Halal 2020, Halal certificate is an official document confirming Halal status based on the Malaysian Halal certification scheme issued by the competent authority to Halal certificate applications, JAKIM. Halal certificate is a voluntary program for those entrepreneurs who want to develop their business in Malaysia and overseas. Basically, the Malaysian Halal certification program is divided into 9 schemes, and companies or manufacturers can choose the plan they want to use based on the type of product or service they have. The scheme are food or beverage, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, food premise or hotel, consumer goods, logistics, slaughterhouse, OEM, and medical device. Therefore, for the business that are relating to the scheme given, they can apply a halal application for their product or services. This is logo Halal Malaysia. Malaysia Halal Certification Scheme have 9 schemes, and this is example for certificate of logo Halal produced by JAKIM. Okay. The problem statement. On the other hand, non-Muslim communities also prefer to consume halal food for health and quality reason as well. They believe that halal food is healthier and cleaner compared to non-halal food. Therefore, the problem here is when there is a statistic in Malaysia, 60% of halal certificate applications are non-Muslim entrepreneurs, while 40% is Muslim entrepreneurs. I am a Muslim entrepreneur. Why do I need halal certification? Even without it, I can sell products easily without any doubt from customers. These are the thought in the Muslim entrepreneur's mind. However, the statistic in 2020 is a good improvement in halal application as in 2016. 80% of the 746 halal certificates were issued in the state in its holder are composed of non-Muslim entrepreneurs. From the perspective of authorities of Department of Islamic Development, JAKIM, they are hoping that the statistic of halal application can be improved by the majority of halal certificate holder from Muslim entrepreneurs. Therefore, this research was conducted to find out the issue and challenges in promoting halal certification in Malaysia. From that, the competent authority can improve their skills in promoting in halal certificate to Muslim entrepreneurs. This is percentage what we talk about this. By the majority application from the Muslim entrepreneurs. The problem statement, why the Muslim entrepreneurs not submit the application to get the halal JAKIM, because in their thought they can sell the product or service most easily because they are Muslim and customer are Muslim. Okay. Research methodology. Our research methodology, we use the qualitative method. Population and sample size, non-random Muslim, purposive sampling, and the data we collect, we have 2 resources: primary, interview, observation, and secondary from legal documents from JAKIM and any legal documents from research article. Finding and discussions. First, comfortable with their status as Muslim. Comfortable factor as a Muslim is the reason that indicates the lack of halal application among Muslims. For them, being a Muslim is enough and does not need a halal certificate. Meanwhile, having halal certification in today is super challenging. World mean being able to create quality, safety, and quality in services or products. The halal certificate is a document that guarantees that product and services has been ensured that the sources of ingredients are halal and deal only with supplier having halal certification. This is because halal is considered from the source comes until the distribution is being monitored. Second, the presence of intermediate dealer or middleman in application of halal certificate. Some of Muslim entrepreneurs feel like applying halal certificate is a complicated procedure. Local companies incur losses of thousands of ringgits as a result of the action of business consultants who are also middlemen to profit in halal certification applications. The incident was discovered through complaint received and reported the consultants' action by the industries. This occurred by the existence of intermediaries which offer to help them in applying halal certificate. Irresponsible acting involving consultants are affected to Muslim entrepreneurs find it difficult to get halal certificate. The fee is expensive and the process for them need to deal with various and affect the timing of their application. Third, the Muslim entrepreneur did not meet the minimum criteria and requirement. Minimum requirements are important to ensure the Muslim entrepreneur have a proper guideline in applying a halal certificate. For example, the number of Muslim workers, the business must have SSM license and been registered under local authority, PBT. However, some of Muslim entrepreneurs fell under review of local authority, which is they did not have their own premise for the process of product. This is what we talk about. Three issues and challenging on promotion halal certification from Muslim entrepreneur in Malaysia. Besides on the view of challenging, in this case, there are two challenges in promoting halal certificate to Muslim entrepreneurs, which is inappropriate campaign and the existing additional certificate like that. First, a campaign that gives the wrong interpretation to halal product and services. Second, the existence of additional certificate like Muzaki certificate which being produced by the Kedah State Zakat Board. This is what we say about the challenging BMF, buy Muslim first, buy Muslim first. Okay, and then like logo Muzaki from Zakat Negeri Kedah. And our article, as a conclusion, can give more benefit to researcher, the government, and in Muslim industries to improve the promoting and solve the issue and challenging about the Sijil Halal certification in Malaysia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.